I wanted to make a quick video on the HYTE Y60 and can it cool a 4090 with the window plate on. I tested two video cards with distinct different sizes. One, the Axe Gaming 4090 that you see here, and you're going to see later this Gigabyte over here on the left, which is the WindForce. Both of these are 3-slot cards, and they both will fit in this case, but they both fit very differently. What I found is that you can cool a 4090 with the window, the side window panel on with the Axe 4090 gaming card, because it's a little thinner. As you can see on this split screen here, the Gigabyte is really close up to the window on the left side, and on the right side you can see that the Axe gaming card is further away, almost an inch. This is the Furmark cooling stats of the Axe Gaming. As you can see, it's 66 degrees Celsius. It really never moves past 67. This is with the side window plate on. So I can say without a doubt, if you have a 4090 that is not as thick as, let's say, the Strix or the Gigabyte WindForce or the other cards that are really thick in size, you can cool with the HYTE Y60 with the side window on. So I just wanted to put this out there so people could see that there are options, that you don't have to put that window back on your HYTE Y60 to cool a 4090, which is good for some of us because we like the aesthetics of having the window on. And as you can see here, there's almost a full inch, a little less than an inch, but as you can see, there's plenty of room with that case window on, and I had no issues cooling this card at all. If you enjoy this video, consider subscribing and liking. See you later.